Hello my viewers, I'm on top of my 30-foot Jayco camper. I've got just about everything off of this roof right now, and I'm ready to re-roof this camper. I'm going to replace all the wood because well, just about all of it's rotted. Taking out that old skylight right there. Already got the top part of it out of there, and everything here else except for maybe that old radio antenna is still there, but it's no big deal because it'll come up with the wood. Everything's got to go. I mean, you can the wood is so rotten here. This is where the AC was, right here. This wood was not as bad as some of the other places. Like here, I gotta watch out where I'm walking here. And here, this was a vent that went bad, you might say. So this is probably the worst part of this roof, but I'm redoing the entire roof. And 2 weeks later, we have some more work done now. Inside, I've replaced the pieces of the I don't know what you call it, purlin or studding on the roof. Okay, and that part wasn't so difficult, but I'll show you up here on the roof. I've got all the plywood completely replaced. Now I have to staple down this aluminum flashing right here all the way around. Okay, you see, and then I can tape my tape joints and put down the rubber, I guess. All right, see you later.